السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. النهاردة يا جريد 4 هنكمل شرح lesson 100,000. First we will start with arrange the following numbers in ascending order and descending order. We will look at these numbers, and the first step we will count the digits. Okay, first number is 250,879, so we have 6 digits. The second one, 250,779, also have 6 digits. The third one, 420,300, 6 digits. The fourth, 100,568, also 6 digits. The last one, 60,999, just 5 digits. Okay, so the smallest one is 60,991. Okay, in ascending order we start with the smallest one, so 600,999 is the first one. Okay, we cancel 60,991. Okay, let's look at the left numbers or the remainder numbers. Okay, here we have 6 digits, so we will look at the greatest place value. Here the greatest place value is 100,000. Okay, but we will compare between them. In the first one we have 2 in 100,000, we have 2 in the second one. In the third one we have 4. In the fourth one we have 1. So 100,568 is the smallest. So we will put it in the second place. And cancel 100,568. We will look at the remainder numbers. Here we have in the first one 250,879, and the second one also in the 100,000 place value, here we have 2, and in the first one we have 2, but in the third we have 4, so we put 4 away and look at 2, the first and the second one. In 100,000 we say that we have 2 and 2, so we look at 10,000, also we have 5 and 5. In 1,000 we have 0 and 0, so we will look at 100. Here we have 8, and here we have 7, so in the second one we have 250,779 in the smaller than 250,879, so we will put it in the third space and cancel this number. Okay, we will look at also to the greatest place value. In the first one we have in 100,000 we have 2, and in the third number we have 4. Okay, so 4 is greater than 2, so 250,870 is the next one, so we will put this number here. Okay, so the last one we have 420,300, so is the greatest number here. We will put it in the last place. Okay, then we will learn how to arrange this number in descending order. We can start with the largest number. The largest number in ascending order was 420,300. We can put them we can put this number in the first space. Okay, then we look at the greatest number. we will first, the greatest number was 420,300, so we will cancel it. Okay, we will look at the second one. Here we have 250,870, and here we have 250,779. We will look at the family of units here and the family of units here, because the family of thousand in the two numbers is the same, sorry. So in hundred, here we have 8, but here we have 7. So the greatest number here between these number is 250,879. Okay, we will put this number in the second space and cancel it. Okay, here we have 250,779 and 100,568 and 60,999. As we know from the ascending number, our ascending order, we know that 60,999 is the smallest one, so this number will put in the last space. So we will look at 250,779 and 100,568. As we know, we look at to the greatest place value. The greatest place value here is 2 and here 1. So we choose 250,779 and cancel it. The next number we know is 100,568 and cancel it. The last one, as we know, 60,990. Okay, good job. Next we will learn how to join the cards with equal numbers. First, we must know this question or this exercise is in book page 5, exercise 11. Okay, we will join these cards together. This cards is depend on, or this question is depend on expanded form. Okay, join the cards with equal numbers. Okay, as we say, this exercise is in book page 5, exercise 11. Here we have 710,700, and here we have 70,000 plus 1,710. Okay, if we add this number, we will get 71,710. Okay, what about this? Here we have 710,000 plus 710. Okay, we will get as the result. Okay, we will get in the result 710,710. Okay, what about this rectangle? Here we have 71,000 plus 710. Okay, this equal 71,000 and 710. Okay, what about this rectangle? This rectangle we will get, before we will read the number 10 plus 700 plus 71,000, so we will get 71,710. Okay, and this rectangle is 71,710. Okay, the last one, here we have 710,000 plus 700 plus 10. Okay, we add simply as we know, as we studied before. Okay, so we will get 710,710. Okay, we will match the same numbers together. Here we have 710,710. We will join it with this number. Okay, and here we look for 710,710. Okay, match. And look for any number equal this rectangle. No, we have two rectangle that equal 710,710. So we will look for 71,710. Okay, here we have this rectangle. Sorry. And we have this rectangle. Okay, we can match from this rectangle to this. Okay, and this rectangle equal 71,710. Okay, the next exercise, underline the nearest number to 100,000 in each case. Okay, this exercise, book page 5, exercise 12. Underline the nearest number to 100,000 in each case. Okay, first we will look at letter A, 90,000 and 109,000. Where is the nearest? We look at the difference between the first number to 100,000 and the second number to 100,000. Here, to get 100,000 from 90,000, we must add 10,000. So if we add 10,000 to 90,000, we will get 100,000. Okay, we need here 10,000, but here we have 109,000. Okay, so the difference between this and this is 9,000, only 9,000. So the nearest one is 109,000. Or we can just put a line under this number. Okay, the second one, here we have 101,000 and 100,900. Okay, here we have 900. So if we just cancel it, or 100,900 subtract 900 from this number, we will get 100,000. And here, if we subtract from this number 101,000, if we subtract just 1,000, we will get 100,000. So the smallest or the nearest one is 100,900. Why? Because the difference between 100,000 to 100,900 is only 900. But here we have the difference between 100,000 and 101,000 thousand is 1000. Okay, so the smallest is 900, so the nearest one is 100,900. Okay, the last one, here we have 200,000 and here we have 90,000. As we know from the first example or from first exercise, letter A, to get 100,000 we must add to 90,000 we must add 10,000. Okay, but here we must subtract 100,000. We must subtract 100,000. Okay, so 100,000 is smaller or 10,000 is the smaller? 10,000 is smaller, so we will choose 90,000 and 90,000. Okay, the next question or next exercise 13, write suitable numbers inside the empty rectangles on the number line according to their places. Here we have 400,000 and here we have 500,000. Okay, we will count the space between them. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have 10 equal space. 10 equal space. Okay, and the difference between 400,000 and 500,000, the difference is equal 100,000. So if we divide 100,000 divided 10, we will get 10,000. Okay, how to know the difference between 500,000 and 400,000? We subtract them and we will get 100,000, and we have equal space, 10 equal space, so we divide it. Okay, why? To get this spaces. Okay, so we will add to this number 400,000, we will add just 10,000. Okay, 400,000 plus 10,000, we will get 410,000. Okay, so after 400,000 we will get 410,000. The second one or the second space, 420,000, 430,000, 440,000. So here we get 450,000. Okay, after 450,000 we will get 460,000, 470,000 and 480,000. Okay, the next example. We will answer or learn how to do it in the next video. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.